So why should you not use GoHighLevel Appointment Setter AI? I will answer that in this video. I will also give you a recommendation for the best appointment setter AI you can get, and you can integrate it with GoHighLevel. So first of all, in GoHighLevel, you don't actually have an appointment setter, right? You can actually go and you can build one in AI agents, or you can, use Agent Studio to build one. But essentially, there is not a single agent template that you can actually go and that you can build an appointment setter with. Obviously, there are some here like PetSafe AI and stuff like that, but these are all voice appointment setters. Now, if you want a real appointment setter, what I usually use is Appointwise. So Appointwise is actually a platform that is integrated with GoHighLevel, and you can integrate your own AI appointment setter on Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, SMS, and Instagram. And you have a direct GoHighLevel integration, plus every channel is connected, and you can pretty much manage 100 different people on each platform every single day. Hell, you can even manage 1,000 people if you want. So the volume is not a problem. So how this works is I'm currently in Appointwise right here. If you want to try it out, you have a link in the description. And how this works is you simply go log in Appointwise. And here, as you can see, you can set this up for two different ways. So for your business or for your clients. So if you're an agency, if you're setting this up for your clients, you can set up for your clients. If you're setting this up for your business, you can set up for your business. It's not that different. However, it's different use case. So here you can click on My Business. And as you can see, their AI agent will actually go and you can select client before creating a strategy. We can obviously do that, but I will actually show you right here how that looks like in the user interface right here that they have. So obviously, first you register with Appointwise, you integrate it with GoHighLevel. We made some tutorials on how you can actually build the appointment setters. So make sure to check that out on our appointment setter playlist. But you can actually go here and you can manage, you have a Copilot where you can build. This is kind of like a ChatGPT, but you can build with this your own appointment setter. You also have contacts, so you can build contacts. You can import them from GoHighLevel. You have conversations. You can manage your conversations right here. This is a fresh new account. That's why nothing is yet being connected. And you can have multiple different sub-accounts just like in GoHighLevel, okay? So if I just get started here with AI agents, for example, AI agents, I can go here and I can create an AI agent, right? So I can use a Copilot to create one. I can create a new one. I can also import a strategy. So in your ChatGPT, what you can do is you can tell ChatGPT, hey, create me a JSON strategy for my appointment setter. And for the JSON, it will basically go and you can import your JSON, which is really good and really cool. I never seen anything like that before. So you can hit create new here and you hit next. And from there, you should be able to create one. Once you hit create one, you will have it right here. So first, you obviously need to add the instructions, the conversation, which is the initial message, qualification messages, follow-ups, configuration, obviously, what call to action the user should use. And what's really cool about this is that you can use a custom call to action to reduce friction. You can pretty much go and integrate this with GoHighLevel. And whenever you want to send a calendar to the lead, you're not sending a calendar because that's too much friction. You're sending or you're automatically booking a call through Appointwise on GoHighLevel for that specific lead. That's why this is such a great platform, okay? Now, obviously, to not be, boring right here through the entire video and not show you anything, go and watch some of our other videos on the channel. If you want to test this out for yourself, go to Appointwise. The link is in the description. You can get 14-day free trial so that anyone can go and test this out for their own business, or maybe you're building this for your clients. If you have any specific questions before you actually try Appointwise, make sure to comment below and I would be able to answer all of your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.